I think what brought attention to this area where the town of Vienna is today was when the county decided to build its courthouse nearby. It's really near where Tyson's Corner is today. That was in 1742, 275 years ago. And the first European who settled here was named Charles Broadwater, and he was an important colonial soldier and an amazing public servant. And he had about 1,100 acres in what is now Vienna. Then in the 1760s, we had a man come from Scotland named John Hunter. And he was a second or third son of an important merchant family back in Ayr. And he built his plantation home and called it Ayr Hill. And these were plantations of tobacco in the 18th century. And because of his plantation being called Ayr Hill, this whole area that's now Vienna was called Ayr Hill. For almost 100 years, it wasn't until the 1850s when a family named Hendrick moved here from upstate New York. And Mr. Hendrick purchased a lot of land in the area and was involved in some of the development of the railroad that eventually came through Vienna in 1859. And he asked for the town's name to be changed. And the small number of residents agreed that that would be a lovely name for a town. So from 1862, we were officially known as the town of Vienna. The town of Vienna was incorporated in 1890, more than 125 years ago. The first mayor was named Orrin Hine, and he was just a very active man. He had purchased a lot of land in the area, so he thought it was very important to become a real town. So they incorporated in February 1890, and originally it was about 1.5 miles square. One of the important aspects of Vienna is some of the history that they have saved over the years. For example, the Freeman Store and Museum, which was built in 1859 as a general store and a hotel and a temporary train depot, the town fathers decided to save it. It was run down and desolate, and the town purchased it and renovated it as a 1976 bicentennial project. And it really is the heart of Vienna. It's the heart of the small historic district on Church Street, right next to the W&OD bike trail, across the street from the caboose. And we have on our site the original 1897 Vienna's original library. I think the town of Vienna realizes that these buildings are the heart of Vienna, and they're the way to keep history alive.